The blessny 25-watt Solar 2 fan kit is an efficient solution for outdoor ventilation, especially designed for use in greenhouses, chicken coops, and sheds. Equipped with a 20-watt monocrystalline solar panel, this kit harnesses ample solar energy to power the fans, making it a more reliable choice compared to other lower wattage models. The fans operate at a powerful 3,000 revolutions per minute, providing a substantial airflow of 360 cubic feet per minute to efficiently circulate air and reduce heat. Installation is straightforward with the included screws, zip ties, and a 14.7-foot long cord, ensuring easy setup in various locations. The fan kit boasts an IP65 weatherproof rating, making it highly durable and capable of withstanding outdoor conditions. This solar-powered fan kit is versatile and does not require 110-volt AC power, making it perfect for a wide range of outdoor applications.